Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a wandering straight pour, ring pour, fantasy pour with primary colors. So sorry. And black and white. I used those colors yesterday for my live $250,000 giveaway stream. So if you want to win one of my paintings, check my yesterday's video and leave a comment and you will be entered to a drawing. But I have this primary yellow, primary magenta and primary cyan left, so I didn't do a wandering pour for quite some time, so I will do one today. And I will start layering my paints. So primary yellow first and a little bit of white and primary magenta. I will add just a little bit of black and white in between, just to add some different shades of these colors. Don't want them to be, you know, dominant or something. And blue and yellow and a little bit of white again. I'm not so worried about white, more about the black, because it can, you know, make some mud or something. And blue, and once more with yellow and white and magenta and black and blue. You know, when you use those primary colors, you get some secondary colors, some green and some purple and some orange maybe. So we will see what will happen. Okay, let's turn this around. Here is my cup. It looks quite nice. What do you think? And I will not start on this side. I will start on this side. I don't know why, I just decided, so let's do that. Okay. I will just add a little white on this side because I did do a little, I don't know. Okay, so let me change my angle. I will just tilt this a little bit first, but maybe I want some loopy loops for this blue, or I will tilt this off mostly. Think. I will grab a piece of cardboard for... I will just do some loopy loops in this blue. So I will go to this corner first. Wow. And to this one next. And I will definitely want to tilt a lot of this blue off. Okay, I will not need my corner catcher anymore. So let me try something. Just can't get this paint on the spot that I would love to. I will just tilt this off a little bit. Okay, better now. I will just straighten up these lines a little bit and I will be done. Back. should have turned this around while I'm tilting, that you would see what I'm doing. Okay. I really wanted to show you this piece dried, and on the daylight it's still a little glare, but look at those amazing lines and all those colors from, this is just my tree, from just primary colors and black and white. This part here is just amazing, isn't it? It really reminds me of a sunset, kind of a landscape painting. Really like it. Tell me what you think about it. And somebody's here. Nera? Say hi. Say hi. Flora? Say hello. Nera. Nera, stop. Nera is just a silly puppy still. So, but Flora, enjoy. Enjoy this. So, a little different closure to my video today. Hope you like it and see you on the next one. Bye.